Hey, what's going on again? This is John, your cash boss man, coming at you, representing the you. Like I say, I got to represent my home. Right now I'm in my second home, which is in Mississippi. I was downstairs and I was getting ready to do something. And I said, well, let me come upstairs and make a quick video talking about the system that I am now promoting. Well, actually, I went back to start promoting and I'm loving it, guys. Listen, this is the system, Exitus Elite. No doubt about it. Very simple. Matter of fact, all I do is just invite people to a presentation, let the presentation do the work, answer all the questions. And a lot of times people reach out. We want to make sure I am a real person. Yes, I am a real person, but of course, like I said, I wear shades because a lot of times, I'm in the process of getting an operation on my eyes, and the light kind of bothers my eyes, so I have to wear shades. So I just want to let you know I am a real person. But like I say, Exodus Elite, guys, man, it's off the chain. I was explaining to someone earlier. I got a call, and I was explaining to them. I said I'm going to make a video, and I'm going to kind of show people what they get when they join me, because I don't want to tell people that they're going to get something when they join me. Then once they join me, they got to pay extra money to get access to it. Nah. You join me, and what I tell you you're gonna get, and you're not gonna have to pay no extra money for it. One of the things that I decided to do was to make a informational membership site to help a lot of people with certain things that they may not know how to do, or certain information they would like to get access to make their life much more easier. I just believe, I have a heart because I want to see people be successful, not getting ripped off, or, you know, run after every shiny object, but just be someplace rooted in work the system until they see the result they want to get. So, I'm going to show you with some of the things that you're going to be getting. Well, I'm going to show you one of the things that you're going to be getting is my membership site, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I wanted to show you. Welcome to my. This is actually a site that I built because I wanted people to have things that they can use to make their marketing so much easier. Access to things where they don't have to worry about, excuse me, paying some extra money for it. Sorry about that yawn, you guys. I've been, man, every once in a while I get like that. Anyway, anyway, so here we go. This is what I call name of our name. Actually, the name of the team that I wanted to create was called Action Takers United. I just truly believe that God can't steer a park car. You got to be doing something. You can't be sitting back and waiting for the world to come to you. You got to make it happen in the world, okay? So I created this thing, this team called Action Takers United. A bunch of us that are taking action, okay? So when you first get here, what I do is I welcome you. That's me, old handsome me. Again, don't mind me. I'm tripping. And I like to uh give as many positive videos and thoughts that I could think of, or that I have access to. Because I believe that if you have a lot of positive stuff around you, you're going to start being able to act positive. You're going to be able to give away positive people to the people around you. And people are going to see that positive in you, and they're going to feel comfortable with you because you walk around with a bunch of positivity. You're positive, and I just believe in that. So once you get here, you get a welcome. Like I say, welcome to the team site. Okay, and it's something I built, and I kind of tell you the purpose of me doing this. Okay, and I want you to check that out. But then the next thing I go to is mindset. Okay, mindset I believe is important because everything starts in the mind. Let's get real. If you can't believe it, you'll never achieve it. That's the bottom line. That's just so true. That's just that's a principle of law. That's a principle of life. Okay. So what I've done is I collected a bunch of videos that really talk to my spirit. It really changed my mindset. And I know they're going to do the same for you. So after you get your mind together, now it's the quick start guide. Now in the quick start guide, what I want to do is I want to give people something that they could answer themselves, uh, a simple journal that they could actually copy and answer it and write it down so they'll know why they're doing it, what they want, where they want to be at in the next 3 months, the next 6 months, the next year, because you got to be able to write things down, be able to see where you're going. How can you have a vision without, if you can't see it? And in order for it to become a reality, I always tell people, live in your vision. But you got to have something written down so you actually see it. Okay? So I challenge you to write this stuff down. It talks about a lot of things. Your sponsor duties, it's just a whole bunch of stuff that will help make you a better leader. Okay, that's the bottom line. That's what we all want to be. That's all we're going to be, leaders. We're not going to have to be no followers. If you was, get ready to become a leader. Okay? So then I come with headlines. Now, what I did is, these are some headlines you can fill in. Basically, answer these questions to fill in a ton of headlines. When I say a lot of headlines, I think I put like 200 and something. I think it was over 200. Yeah. Actually, all these are headlines. Matter of fact, I take that back. It's close to it's close to 600 headlines, okay, that I have back here, okay? Close to 600 headlines that you could copy and make it your own. Now, what's use of having headlines without a body, or basically the ad itself? So what I did was, you have a bunch of body emails, or you could use these, say if you're doing solo ads, you could use these here for them. Or say if you want to put together your own autoresponder, you got it back here. Okay. Again, just so much back here. You get access to this here, okay? You get access to this for free, okay? Once you join, you don't have to pay extra money. You get access to this here, okay? I didn't want to stop there with the pre-designed ad. So one of the things that a lot of people like to do is they like to do offline marketing. And how we do that is postcards. So what I decided to do is I have a page dedicated to postcards, okay? There are some things I'm going to update back here, but what makes it so unique is you can download these here particular, I'll give you a good example. Let me get a template real quick. You can download these here. They come in a Word. Okay. Open this up real quick. And let me just make this a little bit bigger here, guys, so you can see. And when it comes, as you can see, all you have to do is just enable edit. If you got Word, go back here, take this. You might want to put in your website, okay, whatever it might be. www.mycashprint.com. Okay. And basically carry to your printer, where it might be, and get them printed out. And also get them cut. Like if you go over to Office Max or with a FedEx, they'll go and they'll cut it out for you, okay? They'll cut it out for you, okay? I don't want to save that. Don't save. Don't need that. And you get you get close to 30 different postcards, okay? And then I also give you a write-up on basically how you go about marketing the postcards. And what I also did is I want you get a chance to see kind of what most of them look like, okay? So you can go look down here and see what it said and come up here and pick the postcard for that and go ahead, download it, put it on some paper. I'll show you where to get the list from, put the stamps on it, and mail it off. Just as simple as that, okay? So, after your postcards, I also got phone scripts. Some of the things you could say when people call, okay? I got a guideline of what do you say the people when they call you, or even when you have to leave a voice message, you get it all, okay? There are some other things I'm going to be placing back here. Here's some audio. Say if you want to get a 800 link number and you want to get an idea of how audio presentation sound like, guess what is back here.
Hi, and welcome to my brief overview video. This video only lasts about 5 minutes. There's no hype, just straight talk. Just by watching and listening to our presentation, you've become a part of one of the most powerful.
So, and I'm going to be adding some more stuff to this, but just on this alone, listen, guys, I'm serious about you making money, okay, with Exitus, okay? I'm very serious. That's why I say if you join me, I'm going to actually run your first a couple of campaigns for you, give you access to some of the tools and things that I use and for free to help market and make my stuff even more better, okay? And a serious tip, I really want to do that for you guys. I really want to see you guys become successful in this here, okay? I really do. I don't want you guys, just to join and for me to turn around and say, oh, by the way, guys, I was doing Exodus, now I'm over here doing this. So follow me over this like most people do. No, I want you to be successful, okay? I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes because I don't want to make it too long. And again, go you. Oh, anyway, so I just wanted to make this a quick video, or not a quick video, but a kind of long, well, not a long video, but anyway, I just want to make this video, and I'll be hollering at you later. There's going to be links on the bottom of this video, and I want you to go check out what I'm doing. Have a wonderful day.